The tech world buzzed with anticipation. The air was electric, filled with whispers and speculations about the latest innovation set to be unveiled. Tech enthusiasts, journalists, and industry insiders all gathered, their eyes glued to the stage, waiting for the big reveal. Layers, a relatively new player in the tech arena, was launching its flagship smartwatch, the Anarc. Despite being a newcomer, Layers had managed to create a significant buzz. Pre-order numbers shattered expectations, with thousands of eager customers placing their bets on this new device. The Anarc clearly struck a chord with consumers. The excitement was palpable as people unboxed their new gadgets, their faces lighting up with joy. But amidst the excitement, a question lingered in the air. Was the hype surrounding the Anarc justified? This was the question on everyone's mind. Tech critics and enthusiasts alike pondered over the Anarc, analyzing its features and comparing it to other smartwatches in the market. Could it truly deliver on its promises, or was it just another overhyped product? Could Layers, a newcomer, deliver on its promises? The company had invested heavily in research and development, assembling a team of top engineers and designers. The Anarc was the result of countless hours of hard work and innovation. The Anarc promised a sleek design and cutting-edge features. Its minimalist aesthetic and high-quality materials made it a stylish accessory, while its advanced technology promised to enhance the user experience. It boasted advanced health tracking and seamless smartphone integration. Users could monitor their heart rate, track their workouts, and receive notifications from their phones, all from their wrist. The Anarc aimed to be more than just a smartwatch. It aimed to be an essential part of daily life. Marketing materials showcased a device that was both stylish and powerful. The tagline, "Layers Anarc, experience the difference," encapsulated the company's vision. They wanted users to feel the difference in quality, design, and functionality. The stage was set for Layers to make a major impact. The product launch was met with applause and excitement as the Anarc took center stage. It was clear that Layers had managed to capture the attention of the tech world. The question remained, would the Anarc live up to the hype? As people began to use the smartwatch in their daily lives, the true test of its value would unfold. Only time would tell if Layers had truly created a game-changing device or if the Anarc would fade into obscurity. Unboxing the Anarc is a pleasant experience. The packaging is minimalist and elegant, reflecting the watch's design language. Inside, the Anarc sits nestled securely, accompanied by a charging cable and instruction manual. The watch itself, upon first glance, is undeniably sleek. The Anarc boasts a vibrant AMOLED display that appears bright and sharp. Its casing, while seemingly crafted from premium materials, feels surprisingly lightweight on the wrist. The provided silicone strap is soft and comfortable, even after prolonged wear. The overall first impression is positive. The Anarc exudes a sense of quality and sophistication that belies its newcomer status. The Anarc comes loaded with features. It offers comprehensive health and fitness tracking. This includes heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and blood oxygen level measurement. The watch accurately tracks steps taken and calories burned throughout the day. It also provides guided breathing exercises for stress reduction. Beyond fitness, the Anarc excels in smartphone integration. It displays notifications seamlessly, allowing users to read messages and answer calls directly from their wrist. The watch also controls music playback and acts as a remote shutter for smartphone cameras. However, some features like the voice assistant feel less polished and require further refinement. Whispers of doubt addressing user concerns. Despite the initial positive reception, some concerns have emerged. Several users have reported inconsistencies in the Anarc's build quality. Issues range from minor scratches on the display to concerns about the durability of the watch's buttons. Layers assures users that these are isolated incidents and are actively addressing the feedback. Another point of contention revolves around the Anarc's software. Some users have drawn comparisons to existing smartwatch operating systems, sparking speculation about potential rebranding. Layers maintains that the Anarc software is proprietary. They emphasize their commitment to continuous improvement based on user feedback. A crowded field. Anarc versus the competition. The Anarc enters a competitive market. Established players like Realme, Noise, and Amazfit offer compelling alternatives. In terms of pricing, the Anarc sits comfortably in the mid-range segment. It undercuts premium brands like Apple and Samsung while offering comparable features. Compared to its direct competitors, the Anarc holds its own. Its AMOLED display surpasses the LCD panels found on some budget-friendly options. The Anarc's battery life, while not exceptional, outperforms the Realm Smartwatch 2 Pro. However, the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 boasts a slightly more robust fitness tracking suite. Life with the Anarc. Putting it to the test. The Layers. Anarc Smartwatch is designed to be a versatile companion for all aspects of daily life. From morning jogs to late-night work sessions, this smartwatch aims to keep up with your pace and provide valuable insights along the way. In everyday use, the Anarc proves to be a reliable companion. Whether you're navigating through a busy workday or enjoying a leisurely weekend, the Anarc is there to assist. Its sleek design and comfortable fit make it easy to wear all day long, blending seamlessly with any outfit or occasion. One of the standout features of the Anarc is its bright display, which remains easily readable even under direct sunlight. This is particularly useful for outdoor activities, ensuring that you can always see your notifications, fitness stats, and other important information without straining your eyes. The watch's interface, though not perfect, is intuitive and responsive. Navigating through the various menus and options is straightforward, and the touchscreen responds quickly to your inputs. While there is always room for improvement, the overall user experience is smooth and satisfying. During workouts, the Anarc accurately tracks heart rate and provides useful insights into exercise performance. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing a high-intensity interval training session, the Anarc helps you monitor your progress and stay on track with your fitness goals. The Anarc seamlessly integrates with daily tasks. From setting reminders and checking your calendar to controlling music playback and receiving weather updates, the Anarc is designed to make your life easier and more organized. Notifications arrive promptly, and the ability to answer calls directly from the watch proves convenient. This feature is particularly handy when you're on the go and can't easily access your phone. You can stay connected without missing a beat. However, the battery life, while decent, requires charging every 1 to 2 days depending on usage. For heavy users who rely on the watch for constant notifications and fitness tracking, daily charging might become a routine. This falls short of some competitors that offer up to a week of use on a single charge. While the Anarc excels in many areas, battery life is one aspect where it could see improvement. For those who prioritize long battery life, this might be a consideration. The Anarc verdict, hype or home run. The Layers Anarc Smartwatch has been making waves in the tech community, but does it live up to the buzz? Let's dive deep into what this device offers and see if it truly stands out in the crowded smartwatch market. The Layers Anarc is a compelling entry into the smartwatch market. With its sleek design and advanced features, it aims to capture the attention of both tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. The first thing you'll notice is its modern aesthetic, which combines elegance with functionality. It offers a stylish design, a comprehensive feature set, and a competitive price. The Anarc boasts a high-resolution display, customizable watch faces, and a variety of health and fitness tracking options. From heart rate monitoring to sleep analysis, it covers all the bases that users have come to expect from a top-tier smartwatch. While concerns about build consistency and software originality linger, it's important to note that Layers is a relatively new player in the smartwatch arena. Some users have reported minor issues with the device's build quality, such as the strap feeling a bit flimsy or the screen being prone to smudges. Additionally, the software, while functional, doesn't yet offer the same level of polish as some of its more established competitors. Layers seems committed to addressing these issues. The company has been actively engaging with its user base, gathering feedback, and rolling out updates to improve the overall experience. This proactive approach is a positive sign, indicating that Layers is dedicated to refining their product and ensuring customer satisfaction. The Anarc delivers on many of its promises, providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate through the various features and settings. Notifications are clear and timely, and the fitness tracking capabilities are both accurate and comprehensive, providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Whether you're checking your messages, tracking a workout, or simply glancing at the time, the Anarc performs reliably. The battery life is also commendable, lasting up to 2 days on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for most users. the Anarc is not without its flaws, but its strengths outweigh its shortcomings. Some users have noted occasional lag in the interface or minor bugs in the software. But these issues are relatively rare and are often addressed in subsequent updates. The overall build quality, while not perfect, is still quite good for a device in this price range, but its strengths outweigh its shortcomings. The Anarc's strengths lie in its design, feature set, and user experience. It offers a lot of value for its price, making it an attractive option for those looking to get a feature-rich smartwatch without breaking the bank. It stands as a testament to Layers' ambition and potential. The company has shown that it can produce a competitive product and is willing to listen to its customers to make necessary improvements. This bodes well for the future of Layers and its place in the smartwatch market. The Anarc may not be a home run just yet, but it's certainly a solid hit for the burgeoning tech company. With continued development and attention to user feedback, Layers has the potential to refine the Anarc into a truly standout device. But it's certainly a solid hit for the burgeoning tech company. The Anarc represents a strong foundation upon which Layers can build. As the company continues to innovate and address any lingering issues, the Anarc could very well become a top contender in the smartwatch market. Whether it lives up to the initial hype will depend on Layers' ability to address user concerns and continue to innovate. The tech world is always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires constant improvement and adaptation. Layers has shown that it has the drive and capability to do just that. Only time will tell if the Anarc will solidify Layers' place as a major player in the smartwatch arena. The journey has just begun for Layers, and the Anarc is a promising start. With dedication and perseverance, Layers could very well become a household name in the world of smartwatches.